is Keegan, and I wanted to share the Spring Equinox breathwork with you. So spring is really about clearing out the clutter that is in our physical life, our mind, our emotional body, our energetic body. And breathwork is a really great practice to support us in clearing out all of those spaces. So this is a practice of 2 quick inhales and 1 long, full exhale. The idea is not to be hyperventilating or to have a quick breath, but to really be able to clear out and replenish what we clear out. So just as in spring, when we clear things out, when we clean out our closet or we donate clothes to the thrift store or wherever else, we're making space, physical space. So same thing with this breath. This clearing out is making that space for whatever we want to bring into our life. This is one of the reasons why I love breathwork practice, is it helps me find that sense of balance within my physical body, but also my energetic, my emotional, and my intellect, my mind body. So let's begin. You can find a seat, or if you want to sit in a chair, that's perfectly fine. But wherever you are, find something that's comfortable and supportive of the spine so that you can stay nice and long through the spine. And let's just bring the hands onto the thighs. I like to put the palms down for grounding so that I can feel nice and supported and grounded. Sometimes some breathwork practices, especially this one, can pull us a little bit out of our body. So we want to stay embodied in the practice. We want to feel the breath work happening, and we want to stay connected and not separated from our body, not separated from the ground. So find your palms face down, elbows in towards the side ribs, and let's just take a few cleansing breaths to connect with the breath. So take a nice full breath in through the nose, and then exhale out the mouth. Ah, that feels great, doesn't it? Take another big breath in. Fill up the belly, full body breath. So really expand the breath, filling up the entire body. And then exhale, let it out. Maybe even sigh it out. Draw the belly button towards the spine. And then one more breath like that. Breathe in nice and fully. Full body breath. And then exhale. Let it all go. And so now we will begin this breathwork practice of 2 quick inhales and 1 long exhale. So it'll go like this. I'll demo for you, and then we'll start this for about 30 seconds, maybe a minute. So I like to bring my hands to do this gesture. It helps. You can keep your hands on your thighs, or you can do this gesture. So we'll take a quick breath in, into the belly, into the ribs, and then exhale, push it out. Like this. And you see how long that is. It's really extended. So it's into the belly, into the lungs, and then exhale, push it out. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. Exhale everything out. Quick inhale, exhale. Too quick. Long exhale. Keep going like that. Relax the muscles of the face. Find your own rhythm. Continue just like this. 2 quick inhales, 1 long exhale. Let's find 5 more. Two more. Soften the hands on the thighs. And just breathe naturally here. Nice breath in and breath out. And just stay with a full body breath in and full body breath out. Lips gently touch, teeth away from each other. Relax the muscles of the face, relax the eyelids, the temples, the jaw. Soften the shoulders and just notice any sensations in the body. Notice what feels lighter, where there's more spaciousness. Maybe you can breathe a little more fully. And with this presence with yourself right now, presencing into the spaciousness that you've created, asking yourself, what do I want to create? What do I want to call in to garden in my own life with this spaciousness? What do I want to create with this new spaciousness in my life right now? And just let the answer come to you. Don't try to force an answer, but just let it come to you through presencing with this breath and with this spaciousness. And let yourself be in the question. So if you don't even have an answer right now, or maybe it's the start of an answer, let it be just that, and let yourself be curious and be in the exploration of this question. What do I want to create in my life right now? And slowly open the eyes and find a journal and maybe write down any thoughts that came through in this practice. And again, finding yourself to be in that question. You can pause this video or stop right here, but write down, free write, and let the answer come to you. I'd love to know how this video goes for you, so just like or share, or just even share in the comments. May you be well.